Our senior design team, consisting of Rachel Smith, Emily Ahern, and Luis Rojas, worked on improving production efficiency at Little Earth Productions over the course of this semester. Little Earth produces products for 170 different sporting teams, including college teams, the NFL, NHL, and MLB. The actual production process at Little Earth is relatively simple. It includes picking a transfer or logo from stock, picking a blank good or the product that they will be applying the logo to, and then heat pressing the logo onto the product, and finally bagging and tagging it before moving it to shipping.
Little Earth asked our team to evaluate their production process and identify potential improvements that would lead to increased product throughput. After getting to know their processes through meetings with experts and creating a process map, the team decided to focus on the picking of transfers from the transfer room and the material handling associated with it, as this part of the process contains many non-value-added steps that introduce room for human error.
Currently, Little Earth stores about 2,000 transfers in their transfer room in a variety of different ways. As you can see, up to 50 different SKUs can be stored in one poorly labeled location, which leads to high searching and picking times. Little Earth does not currently utilize their ERP system to create pick paths or system-directed picking, so the picker relies on the batch sheet and some labels around the room to find the proper storage location. As the transfers are being picked, they are all placed in one bin together, which later needs to be sorted in production to match up with the correct blank good. This is a clear, non-value-added activity.
In order to solve this problem, the SAINT team collected and analyzed data about the transfer room, quantifying all of the SKUs, their locations and storage methods, transfer types, as well as codes. Time studies were also taken of the current pick process, and REBA studies were used to understand the ergonomic concerns. Using sales history provided by Little Earth and the data that the team collected, sales velocities were calculated by transfer type and league to help determine the best methods for slotting. Most analysis was used to determine current and future state pick times. A two-sample t-test was used to validate that the most standards were not statistically different from the observed values, and the high p-value indicated that this was true.
The team's data analysis led to many solution recommendations. The first set of solutions focuses on overhauling storage in the transfer room. The team identified 2 new storage methods to be used for all of the transfers. The total cost of these devices is $8,275. The team has produced a CAD model to lay out the aisles and bays, slotting profiles, and a location file indicating where to place each SKU in the room. The second solution set focuses on material handling. The team recommends moving to cart picking and separating each SKU by a tote to eliminate the process step of resorting the blanks and transfers in production. It is also recommended that Little Earth enter the new locations into the ERP system and sort batch sheets according to the serpentine pick path to increase the efficiency of each pick.
Using MOST to estimate the future state pick times, the team projects that Little Earth will reduce their picking times by about 41%. Additionally, based on a representative sample pick path, the future state pick path will reduce travel distances by over 50%. Furthermore, there is a 41.8% reduction in the total room footprint needed, accompanied by a 52.8% reduction in the footprint of the storage devices. This improved space utilization opens up space for additional storage in the room if it's needed. In terms of material handling, the new pick method reduced REBA scores from 9 to 6 as the picker no longer needs to kick a bin across the floor, opening him or her up to the possibility of injury.
We want to give special thanks to the Little Earth Productions team, including Ava, Tracy, Jackie, and Louis, for helping us collect data and answer all the questions that we needed. Also, to the AE faculty, Dr. Lonkensor and Dr. Yang, for aiding us and helping us go in the right direction.